Hi, in this video we are going to see the solved gate question papers for CSE and IT students. This is a series of videos and particularly this video we are having the solved question paper of gate 2015 and here we have the question number 2, match the following. They give two boxes, list 1 and list 2. In gate, while attending the exam, please read the question carefully first. Here we have two boxes, list 1 and list 2, and they give the choices: A. Condition coverage, B. Equivalence class partitioning, C. Volume testing, D. Alpha testing. We have to match all these with the box number 2, list number 2. 1. Black box testing, 2. System testing, 3. White box testing, 4. Performance testing. That is based on their usage and definition, we have to match these testing categories. Here they give the options. Here A, B, C, D refers to list number 1 and in options they give the numbers of list number 2. A, 2, 3, 1, 4. A matches 2, B matches 3, C matches 1, D matches 4. Likewise they have 4 options. We have to check each option and match everything and then find out the answer. For this question we have answer as option D, that is A to 3, B to 1, C to 2, D to 4. A. Condition coverage matches white box testing. Equivalence class partitioning matches black box testing. C. Volume testing matches system testing. Alpha testing matches performance testing. This is the answer. Now see why we match all these things in and have this answer. Explanation of this answer. First we have A. Condition coverage. It matches white box testing. Why? Let's see. Actually, condition coverage, in condition coverage, what we do is we just evaluate the Boolean expression and we have either the answer is either true or false. That is predictable. So the condition coverage is also known as predictable coverage, predicate coverage. And in white box testing, we do test the internal structures of an application, each internal structure one by one in an application, and check whether that structure is that is evaluating. It's like evaluating each structure of an application. So both condition coverage and in white box testing we just evaluate each and everything. So it matches, condition coverage matches white box testing. And next one is equivalence class partitioning, and this is equals to black box testing. Here equivalence class partitioning means it is just a testing technique, software testing technique. Here what we do is we divide the input data of a software into partitions of equivalent data. That is, we partition the input data for a software, and from that partitioned data we create the testing cases and test each one. This is done exactly in the black box testing also. We create the testing cases and test the software from the input. So equivalence class partitioning is equal to black box testing. Next one is volume testing. The answer is volume testing equals to system testing. Now we go for definition of volume testing. In volume testing, we test the software application with certain amount of input data. That is, we give some our own input data. We have various input data in all ranges and we give them to the software application and test them whether the exact output is coming or not. That is the volume testing. And in system testing also we will give the input to the system, the software, and we check various input both from negative side to positive range. All the ranges we give the input and test the output. So we can match volume testing with system testing. And the last one is alpha testing. We match alpha testing with performance testing. Why? Because in alpha testing, the testing is simulated one On the other side, we do the actual operation testing. That is, the actual operation is done or not by the application. This testing is done by the potential or actual user or customers by themselves. We test the application with the user and customer, so that they give the they can predict whether the actual output is coming or not, and they test whether the operation, the for what the application is generated and the operation is performed by that application or not. So we can easily tell it is just a performance testing. We checking the performance using the user and the customer. So we match alpha testing with the performance testing. Once again I am telling, condition coverage is a predictable one, and here we do the testing by evaluating each and every part of the application. That is the white box testing, internal structures, testing the internal structures of the application. Next, equivalence class partitioning is testing the that is, we partition the input and create the test cases, and then we are testing them. Then volume testing, we are giving the various input and testing them, so that is the system testing. And in alpha testing, we testing the actual performance of the application, so it is the performance testing. So I hope you are clear with these answers, and please subscribe for continuous seeing other questions, and I'm sure these videos will be helpful for your GATE preparation. Thank you. Please subscribe.